Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about disadvantages of max pooling layer in convolution neural network. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about convolution layer and max pooling layer. So this is a continuation class. Please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete deep learning concepts. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So let's try to refresh the concepts of what convolution and max pooling layer is doing. Then we go into the disadvantages of max pooling layer. In our last classes, we clearly discussed that this is our image. On this image, we are applying a filter F1. Assume that this filter is trying to identify vertical edges. So the output which we got here is identifying the vertical edges. So the same way Ft is identifying horizontal edges. The output which we got here, the image is having the horizontal edges. This is what happening in the convolution layer. On this convolution layer, outputs means on this image we are applying the max pooling, on this image we are applying the max pooling. So individually on each image we are applying the max pooling. After that, again the output which we got from the max pooling is taken as the input to the next convolution layer, and again apply max pooling. That is what happening in the convolution neural network. So what's happening here? Here in max pooling, we are reducing the size of image, we are extracting, we are eliminating the unwanted and keeps on identifying the features. Eliminating the unwanted keeps on identifying the features. That is what happening here in a max pooling layer. We are reducing the size of image, means we are eliminating the unwanted, we are keeps on identifying the features. That is how after some time convolution layer max pool, convolution layer max pool, convolution layer, after passing through the image passing it through some convolution and max pooling layers, we just remain with some features. Based on the features, we are identifying that the image consists of cat, dog, or digit 7, like that we will identify that. So what's the disadvantage we are having here is, so because of this applying our max pooling layer on this individual images, means vertical edges are detected here, so reduce the size of image, keep the features. That is what happening. We are losing the positional information. So what's positional information means? Let's try to understand it with an example. Take this example. Here in this image, we are this image having eyes, nose, mouth and ears. In this image we are having eyes, nose, mouth and ears are there, but this is, we call it as face. We don't call it as a face, but still features are there. See, when you send this image to the convolution layer, what's happening? Eliminating the unwanted, keeps on identifying the features. Eliminating the unwanted, keeps on identifying the features. If you send this image, that will also do the same thing, eliminating the unwanted and keeps on identifying the features. So both identify the features, eyes, nose, mouth and ears are there. Both will identify that these two images is having face. So what we are losing here, we are losing the positional information. What's the positional information means? In between the eyes you should have the nose, under the nose we should have the mouth. That is what we call it as a positional information. That we are losing by applying the max pooling layer. That is the disadvantage which we get. This image also showing that there is a face in this image. This image also shows that there is a face in the image. So we are losing the positional information. That's the disadvantages of max pooling layer. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.